Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about an issue of Epic Games. So when I'm trying to sign in my Epic Games account, the sign in failed and it is showing an error code AS-3. So in this video, we're gonna talk about this error and also gonna see some ways to fix it. So the following error code AS-3 shows that there is a problem with your internet connection or no connection, and because of it you may face very difficulties like unable to log in, you won't be able to download or update games. So to fix it, first of all check your internet connection. Secondly, check the status page of Epic Games. There you will get to know about the current status of Epic Games and also about the connection status and server status. The next thing you can do is that get connected with a wired connection. You can use Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Also make sure not to use VPN and proxy connection. The next thing you can try is that disable your firewall. This is the fastest way to fix a connection problem. To disable your firewall, first of all open Windows Security. Then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Choose the network and from this option you can easily disable your firewall. Now under each network location disable your firewall. You can also change your DNS setting for better connectivity. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.